Madrid, the exciting capital of Spain, is full of life. It calls to travelers, promising amazing adventures. From big avenues and fancy palaces to lively squares and awesome museums, Madrid mixes history, culture, and modern life perfectly. Whether you love art, history, or yummy food, Madrid has something cool for everyone. Imagine walking through busy markets, smelling fresh bread and spices. Picture yourself looking at amazing paintings by famous Spanish artists like Goya and Velázquez in famous museums. Think about evenings enjoying tasty tapas, laughing and talking with friends, old and new, as you soak up the city's energy. Madrid wakes up your senses and stays with you forever. Its warm weather, friendly people, and exciting street life make you feel welcome. It's easy to walk around, so you can find hidden treasures and enjoy its special charm at your own speed. Whether you like its history, its culture, or its food, Madrid promises a great trip you won't forget. Get ready to be amazed by its beauty, captured by its spirit, and charmed by its magic. Madrid's history is as interesting and complex as the city itself. Built in the 800s by the Moors, Madrid started as a small fort called Mayret. Over many years, different empires and kingdoms ruled it, each one changing its buildings and culture. In the 1500s, King Philip II made Madrid the capital of Spain, making it super important. This started a great time for the city, with art, writing, and architecture all becoming really popular. Big palaces, beautiful gardens, and impressive monuments were built, showing how powerful Spain was. You can see Madrid's past in its old neighborhoods, each one special and charming. The Habsburg area, with its narrow streets and Renaissance buildings, takes you back in time. The literary quarter, where famous writers like Cervantes and Lope de Vega lived, has a cool, artistic vibe, with bookstores, taverns, and lively squares. From a small Moorish fort to a big modern city, Madrid's history is a fascinating story of battles, creativity, and strength. As you explore, you'll see pieces of its past everywhere, each one telling a story about the people and events that shaped this amazing city. Madrid is famous for its beautiful buildings, a mix of styles that show its rich history. From grand palaces to peaceful parks, the city is a treat for anyone who loves architecture. The Royal Palace, where the Spanish royal family lives, is a huge and amazing Baroque building. It has over 3,400 rooms. Inside, you'll see fancy decorations, paintings, tapestries, and chandeliers, showing how Spain's kings and queens lived. Another cool building is the Temple of Debod, an ancient Egyptian temple that Egypt gave to Spain in the 1960s. It's in Oeste Park and has great views of the city and a unique look at ancient Egypt. To relax, visit Retiro Park, Madrid's big, beautiful park. This park used to be a royal retreat, but now everyone can enjoy it. People have picnics and go boating on the peaceful lake. These are just a few of the amazing buildings in Madrid. From big plazas to hidden courtyards, the city is full of architectural treasures waiting to be explored. You can't go to Madrid without visiting the Prado Museum, one of the best art museums in the world. It has an amazing collection of Spanish, Italian, and Flemish art, with tons of masterpieces for everyone to enjoy. See amazing paintings by Spanish masters like Francisco Goya and Diego Velázquez, including Goya's The 3rd of May, 1808, and Velázquez's Las Meninas. The museum also has masterpieces by other famous artists like Hieronymus Bosch, Raphael, and Titian, showing how art changed over time. Walking through the Prado, you'll be amazed by the artist's skill, the bright colors, and the stories each painting tells. The museum takes you on a trip through art history, showing you the culture, society, and politics that influence these masterpieces. Whether you're an art expert or just like beautiful things, the Prado Museum is an experience you won't forget. It shows how creative people can be and how art can inspire us. Section 5. A feast for the senses, exploring Madrid's gastronomy. Madrid is a food lover's dream, a city with all sorts of delicious food. From traditional Spanish dishes to new and creative meals, Madrid's restaurants offer something for everyone. Try cocido madrileño, a traditional chickpea stew that's perfect for cold weather. Enjoy cochinillo asado, a slow-roasted pig that's crispy on the outside and tender inside. If you like seafood, Madrid has great options. From grilled shrimp to fried calamari, the city's seafood restaurants will make you feel like you're on the Spanish coast. And you have to try tapas. Section 6. Tapas. A culinary adventure in every bite. Tapas are small plates of Spanish food, and they're a big part of Madrid's food culture. Tapas are more than just a meal. They're a social activity, best enjoyed with friends and family. From traditional taverns to modern gastrobars, Madrid has tons of places to try tapas. Each tapas bar has its own special dishes, with lots of different flavors and textures. Try classic tapas like patatas bravas, crispy potatoes with aioli and spicy sauce, or tortilla española, a potato and onion omelette. Enjoy gambas al ajillo, prawns with garlic and olive oil, or pulpo a la gallega, tender octopus with paprika and olive oil. The best thing about tapas is the variety. You can try lots of different flavors and dishes at once. It's a food adventure that lets you try new things and enjoy food with friends and new people. Section 7. The Rhythms of Madrid Festivals, Music and More. Madrid is full of energy, with music, dancing and celebrations. All year round, the city has festivals and events that show its rich culture and excitement. Experience flamenco, a traditional Spanish dance from Andalusia. Madrid has many tablaos, small places where you can watch flamenco dancers and musicians. In May, during the San Isidro Festival, Madrid is full of color, music and dance as people celebrate the city's patron saint. People wear traditional clothes, enjoy outdoor concerts, and watch bullfights, an important part of Spanish culture. For art lovers, Arco Madrid, a contemporary art fair in February, is a must-see. It brings in galleries and artists from all over the world, showing the newest trends in art. Section 8. The Soul of Madrid. Warmth, charm, and vivacity. What makes Madrid special is its people. They are warm, charming, and full of life. The Madrileños are known for being friendly, loving their city, and making everyone feel welcome. Walk through the city's plazas and you'll see the Madrileño spirit. Families chat and laugh, kids play, and street musicians play music. It's a city where life happens outside, where people talk easily, and where strangers become friends over tapas. The Madrileños' love for their city is contagious. They are passionate about their food, culture, and history, and they love to share it with visitors. This makes you feel at home, even if you're far from your own home. Section 9. Discover your own Madrid. An unforgettable journey awaits. Madrid is a city you won't forget. It's a city of opposites where old history meets modern energy, where tradition mixes with new ideas, and where old world charm meets a vibrant contemporary spirit. Whether you explore its old neighborhoods, visit its amazing museums, or enjoy its delicious food, Madrid offers a journey of discovery for everyone. It wakes up your senses, inspires you, and stays with you forever. So, come discover the hidden wonders of Madrid. Let its beauty amaze you, its spirit inspire you, and its rhythm move you. Create your own Madrid story, one filled with amazing experiences, friendly people, and a new appreciation for enjoying life.